Hello everyone. Today we are going to show the mechanism of a Pascaline mechanical calculator which was first built by Blaise Pascal in 1942. I am Richa Minch and I contributed in videography and designing.
I am Himash Kabir and I contributed in voiceover and design.
I am Mangala Rasvita and I contribute to automation and design.
In this calculator, we have ones place, tens place and hundreds place with yellow gear which moves the tens place gear by one digit when the ones place has completed one rotation, and same with the green gear. For addition, we rotate the gears clockwise, and for subtraction, anti-clockwise. For adding 34 plus 76, we will move the first gear 4 times in ones place. Then the second gear 3 times in the tens place. Likewise, for the second number, move the first gear 6 times in ones place. Then the second gear 7 times in tens place. The result will be greater than 100. So for that, another gear moves the third gear by one digit after one rotation. This another gear is used to connect tens place and hundreds place. The result is 110. Now we are going to subtract 20 from 80. First, we will represent 80. To subtract 20, we will rotate the gears in an anti-clockwise direction. The result is 60.